Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today I'm gonna share with you some of my problems. But don't worry, I'm not gonna unload everything on you. Just some gardening issues I have. We're in the middle of December and look, my driveway is still full of plants I didn't manage to plant on time. And I have to deal with that now.
If you have similar issues with plants still in pots, I can suggest 3 options. Option number 1. If the weather permits, plant them in the ground. Option number 2. An easy one if it's available for you. Move plants into preferably temperature-controlled area like garage or sunroom till spring. Option 3. Move plants in more protected area and cover with leaves, for example, or some other insulation material. I am resorting to all 3 options.
First, I'd like to take care of 2 Danica and plant them, continuing this row I'm creating to flank the flower bed, which I'm going to completely redo when hopefully I have time. So let's get to work.
Also, as you can see, I didn't have time to create a flower bed, so I'm gonna plant as is into the grass and take care of it later.
Hey guys, my last tuja is in, and look at this nice curve. It looks really cool. And look at the space I'm gonna expanding my flower bed in the spring. So exciting. I couldn't believe my eyes. Marcus showed up. Hey kitty cat.
And for option number 2, I was able to move a bunch of plants into a sunroom till spring.
And for option number 3, we selected these 3 plants. They're pretty large to do anything else at this point. And of course it's snowing now. At least it's not freezing. So we found a nice location behind the garage, hopefully to put them securely in place and wait till spring.
And before we do that, let's see what's happening in garden center. Oh, it's Christmas there. Let's check what they do with potted perennials. Oh, look, they piled them up, and I guess they're gonna store them for winter this way.
And Wookie here, that's her first winter. She really likes the snow, and she's gonna watch us doing that as well. Let's do that. Hey, Wooks. I'll use some bubble wrap to cover the pot. And I'll use a couple of bags of mulch as an additional insulation material.
And finally, I'll cover it with leaves.
This is it. Let's give it a try. But it sounds like, guys, I'm telling you things what not to do. Don't wait till late time like that. Plant your plants early, but unless circumstances are this. So I think this is it. They're nice and insulated. Hopefully snow will add some insulation as well. And we'll see what happens in the spring. Happy gardening!